So now let us see one more very important theorem in this lesson. That is theorem of areas of similar triangles. So here in the figure you can see that there are two triangles which are similar, and if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their squares of the corresponding sides. So what is the statement? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Now in this figure, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given. And you have to prove that area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square or is equal to AC square upon PR square. Let us see how to prove. The construction is here. What is the construction? You can see that AD is perpendicular to BC, which is the height of triangle ABC. And here in triangle PQR, PM is perpendicular to QR, which is height of triangle PQR. Okay. Now let us write the proof. Let us understand the proof. Very easy. There are three steps you have to remember in this theorem. First, two triangles are similar, that is given. Therefore, you can find out their corresponding sides proportional and corresponding angles congruent. Then you can write the formula for areas of triangle for the two, and then you can take the ratios. You will get the answer. Let us see. Here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, angle B is congruent to angle Q. What is the reason? Yes, corresponding angles of similar triangles. And AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Why? Yes, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, we will consider another two triangles in the figure, that is triangle ADB and triangle PMQ. You have to prove these two triangles to be similar. Now let us see. In triangle ADB and triangle PMQ, angle ADB is congruent to angle PMQ. Why? Yes, each is 90 degree, therefore they are congruent. Then angle B is congruent to angle Q. That we have proved already. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQM by AA test, that is angle test. And therefore, when the triangles are similar, we can write that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM is equal to BD upon QM. Okay. Now we will write the ratio of the areas of the two triangles. We have to prove that only. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to, what is the formula for area of any triangle? Half into base into height. So we will write is equal to half into BC into AD upon half into QR into PM. That half get cancelled. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC upon AD, BC into AD upon QR into PM. So if you see on the right hand side, we can write it as BC upon QR into AD upon PM. Now look at your statement number 2. What is written over there? Yes, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And in this statement, what is written? BC upon QR into AD upon PM. Isn't it? Yes. So what we write here? That means this BC upon QR and into AD upon PM we can write as again BC upon QR. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR, which is equal to BC square upon QR square. In this way, we get area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. So this way we have proved the theorem. Now what about the other? You can prove them similarly. So you can write that similarly we can prove that area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, and also area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to AC square upon PR square.